How to turn your account to a professional account on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn your account to a professional account on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram profile. Now click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and click on account. Now scroll down and click on switch to professional account. Click on continue again and again, and now you should choose a category of your business or something. Digital creator, done. It's gonna take 30 seconds to finish creating your professional account. So we're gonna wait and click on best for public figure content, product, artist, and influencer, best for local business. I'm gonna click on creator. If you have a business or a store, all you need to do is click on business. Click on next, and now set up your professional account, which is complete your profile, get inspired, grow your audience, and I'm gonna click on now, and now your account is a professional account. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.